Okay. Just a little tour of St. George. Try out my new igrip. See if it's going to stay on the wind chill. It didn't want to work today, but I know why now. Once I YouTubed it, I have it done right. So I'll try it again. Take a little drive up, around, circle here, do a little loopy around town. Let's see how this works. Coppers on the go, piggy wiggies. Let somebody stop. There somewhere. Piggy wiggies. There we go. Buddy in his blazer. He's been blazing in his blazer. He's having too much fun. The cop said he fucking put him over. Can't play any music. If I do, then I can't upload this to YouTube. I know what they're like with copyright. So I'm going to turn around and go back to Main Street. This is our local beer store. Beer store, pizzeria, and restaurant, or whatever you want to call it. Gas bar. Imagine I'll finish paving this summer. Take a drive down Main Street for a look-see. There again. Main Street, do the loop. I'm gonna enter home and have a beer. I got ribs cooking in the oven. Ribs on the go. Ribs and baked potato and rice and onions and mushrooms. Garlic bread on the side. I probably won't eat that till 12 o'clock tomorrow. And I'll just cook it tonight. It's only 5 o'clock in the evening. I probably won't eat 12 tomorrow. That's enough because I'll be drinking all night. Tasty. Slow down, I guess. Looks like Paul there. Was it, man? Can't be. Well, we're just entering St. George town limits. That's where I live, right in there to the right. Looks like a fucking barn. Looks like a barn, but it's 2 apartments. It's raining or misting or snowing or sleeting or some kind of thing. I have to figure out what it's doing. Snowing 1 minute, it's raining the next. But whatever it's doing, it ain't going to stay on the ground too long. Not for snow anyway. Yeah, we're coming down busy Main Street. It's just as busy as ever, looks to be. Old beer store closed down, pizza shop closed down, and the bar closed down. All right together, all closed over the last year. Someone opened up a new fucking bar way out in the fucking boonies, out in the fucking woods, you might as well say. You know? Couldn't get it much further away. There's the post office there. Laundromat. Funeral. That'd be the funeral. Back there. I just finished making a video of doing the same little drive that I'm doing now. I got home and looked at it. Damn, if I recorded it upside down. Plus my gizmo fell off the windshield, so screwed it up anyway. It wasn't so long as I wanted it to be. There's our local supermarket, Save Easy. And our big mall with 3 or 4 stores in it. Dollar store, pharmacy, and I don't know. That's about it, I guess. That's about it. Dollar stores and Speedy Auto Garage. Do a little loopy and go back around here. I'm starting to get thirsty. I got cold beers at home waiting for me in the fridge. Some cold Keystone. There's the blueberry place. It's the blueberry place that buys all the blueberries and makes all the blueberry jam and all that blueberry crap that you do. I'll be out until around August month. So, take a little detour here, go down over the hill. This guy moves out of my way here. It's not a hill I want to lose my brakes on. If I do, I ain't going to make no turn. I'll be heading for the boat pad. Down some water. I'll be finding that if this thing can find out what I can do on water. It's my old building I lived in right there, Clint Street. Lived there for about a year. This is my other building that I lived in, right here. This place, up there. Someone has bought it again. It's got it done up somewhat. It's got a polished steps put on there, I see. I think he might have it made into rooms. He's got that. It's a church that he built. Whole one burnt down one night. Damn, that was some fire. That was a bonfire and a half, I'm telling you. Probably roast a few marshmallows there that night. Certainly I could have roasted marshmallows if I stuck them through my window where I lived that night. There was that much heat coming from that fire. Anyway, go back up this way. Yeah, that little grip is doing wonders. I like that. For 40 bucks, I think I couldn't go wrong. Now I can actually take video when I want to, when I'm driving. My camcorder, or my phone, or whatever. You know? My phone, anyway. Sticks right in there. Locks into place. That's crazy. I wish I had one of them a few years ago. Since I had my YouTube account. Damn. Well, hit record, stick it in the slot, hit record, and there's no friggin' with anything after that. Stop it when you want to. That's about it. This another old apartment I used to live right there. It's turned into a flower shop now, I see. What's the price of gas? The price of gas is $1.34.8. And that's not a gallon. That's a liter. That's a liter. So $1.34 a liter would be what? 530, 540, 550 a gallon? Yes. Not more. Take a little run up to a couple of fish plants that they have here. And then back, do a detour around the trailer park, and that's it. I'll go home and I'll drink a beer or two while this is uploading, or, you know. I got a couple of salmon plants here. This place here is called True North. Salmon plant. They don't work on weekends, which is good. So I could be looking for a job here. Believe me, I'm not one that's not into weekend work. The work I like doing on the weekend now is lifting the bottle, something like that. So now we're taking a little run up to Cook's. These people, this is the main salmon plant around here. For all of New Brunswick, for that matter. For all the fucking east coast of Canada, for that matter. Looks like the only people that's working there is on that cleanup shift. And I'm going to put my name in there, and this is what I want. A cleanup job. To come in after everyone else, go home, so I can clean up the factory. That's the kind of job that I want. That's what I'm going to be looking for. So, probably won't be too bad if I can. At night shift, hey, come on. Fucking night owl anyway, I can't sleep. I hate fucking daytime jobs. Work all day, and you go to fuck home and you can't sleep all night. And you gotta get up and go to work again? Do it all over? Holy fuck. It's not for me. Not for me. That don't work for me. So whatever work I'm going to be doing from now on, if I can do it at night, bring it on. Work at night and sleep through the day. Job there, 5 days a week, Sunday to Thursday, Sunday to Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Sunday to Thursday, 5 days a week. Friday and Saturday nights off. Go back on Sunday. Hey, sounds alright to me. Paying. They were always underpaying, but they're paying so much as I guess they're paying about 50 or 12 now. I might as well head back. Just gonna go to Tim Hortons, but coffee at all. Fuck, I want coffee for anyway. I got beer. Now I'm hoping that this video is not going to be upside down. Don't want to be. I thought the last one was was right. Damn, I looked through the camera, it wasn't upside down. When I got home, it was upside down. So, this should be right though. Because I've done a full flippy 360. So, it should be right. Move a bit, give some dampness in. Then I'll back and work now. I'll take a little running into the trailer park there. Trailer for sale right there. Buddy Craig selling his trailer. Got his trucking license. He found himself a nice woman. He moved in with her. Brother lives right there. My mother lives in that trailer. Rest. Fucking trailer parks. Fuck. I'm so glad I got the hell out of there. I lived in this fucking park for 2 years. It's 2 years too long. It's 2 years too much. I'll head back up to home, I guess. Damn roads are not the best. All the frost is coming on the roads. Making for a scattered bump on the road, you know? A little bit on the bumpy side, you know? I gotta say though, that igrip is doing the trick. Doing the trick. It's staying on there for all them bumps. Unreal. There's copper again. Fuck down, okay? This is that's my old truck right there. My old truck I sold to the guy downstairs who I rent to right there. That apartment, Strata Id. Okay, anyway, I'm back.